On the 14th of October 2025, Microsoft will stop the support of Windows 10, and this has led some people wondering about their PCs, the upgrade to Windows 11, and if their system will be compatible or not. As announced, to be able to install Windows 11 on your machine, you will need to have the TPM 2.0 on your system. Even if there are some workarounds, and even if Microsoft say that some older PCs without the chip can be able to run it, but this is not recommended. I wanted to clarify what is TPM crypto chip, what does it do, and why it's necessary for the upgrade on the newest version of Microsoft operating system. TPM is the acronym from Trusted Platform Module, and is a physical chip on the computer motherboard that normally is soldered already into it, but you can also find sometimes that you can attach it as an auxiliary component. What this chip does is the generation of storage, SI encryption, key manipulation, digital certificates, tokens, and electronic signatures. All of the data that is stored and encrypted on our PC, even if you try to set it into another computer, you won't be able to access it. The TPM is a cryptoprocessor with unique features, and to further strengthen data security, this encryption chip can only communicate with the processor on the motherboard which is installed. The first operating systems to use the TPM module were the Windows 8.1 and Windows 10, or BitLocker. But this was the previous TPM 1.2 that uses the encryption algorithm SHA-1, which is very vulnerable. On the other hand, the TPM 2.0 comes with an algorithm SHA-256 operating on 512-bit blocks, what makes it more secure and compatible with new technology like device encryption. Why TPM is one of the requirements to upgrade or install Windows 11? Well, because even if Windows have had their security problems, it's mostly a good environment to work on. And being the most widely used operating system for years, Microsoft is always looking ways to improve its security, prevent cyber attacks, and trying to keep your sensitive information away from curious eyes. And I know there is a lot of controversy about this, and I can understand both sides of the coin. The people that doesn't want to have to upgrade their system to be able to still have support from Microsoft, and I also understand the developers of Windows to trying to make the new version more secure environment for all of their users. Guys, if you don't want to wait until the launch day and you want to have Windows 11 today, check out this video where I show you how to update it. That is pretty much it for this one. Thanks for watching, my friends. What do you think about this topic? If you want a full tutorial about how to activate TPM if you haven't already on your system, let me know in the comments down below. I will try to make one for you. Like the video if you enjoyed, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. This always really helps the channel out. And to all of you, my old viewers, thank you for being still here. I know I have a lot of time. I was a little bit sick and I'm working on this studio. You're going to see a lot of new things around here. You're going to see a lot of new things around here. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching once more. And like always, see you on the next time. Bye bye.